this lovely mini countertop dishwasher, and it's yeah, it's pretty nice. So let's open it up. That's kind of really doing also the unboxing for it, because I haven't had to use it yet, so can't really review it fully until we try it out. But from what it says on here, I mean, this thing is it's really nice. I mean, it's total price of it runs about $369.99. What it shows here, you can save $40 with a coupon. It says no installation needed. Simply add water manually with included water container. The chime will alert you when the water tank is full. It says it's a 6-liter of water. It sanitizes. It oh wow, it's just making the thing. It has its own built-in water tank. It says there's more space inside. 7 programs. UV hygiene and auto door open for apartments, dorms, and RVs to help to dry. So there we go. Cut the wrapping paper, you know. Alrighty, so let's show you guys. I've seen this before. Yeah, I mean this thing, it gets up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit too. That's what it says on here. So it's pretty amazing to me. That's pretty hot. 30%. It literally says double drying, saves 30% drying time. So it's supposed to be able to pull out a box of bacon. It says 5 2 program. So basically the wash cycle on our baby here up to 162 degrees Fahrenheit normal, which is up to 158. So we got rapid, 40 minutes, no extreme drying. You get glass, delicate fast protection, fruit, remove pesticide residue, 2 enhanced cycles, which is auto open, removes moisture and odor, UV, LED, 360 degrees all around test and sterilization. Yeah. Loving it so far. This thing's pretty cool. So it shows here that it's supposed to hold up to, mini design holds up to 30 plus items. So you're talking about like four big dinner plates that are 10.5 inches. You're talking about 4 small plates, 4 bowls, 4 cups, like coffee cups, and 7 knives, 7 forks, 7 spoons, and 1 wine glass. Yeah, that's a lot. It has a lot just to be this. Maybe the top of the dishwasher. I'll tell you right now, it's been rough washing. I know you probably know it too. Having a sink that just is very small. It's hard to wash anything in it. So here's the manual. Got the vent now. Oh wow! It actually has a drain hose installation where we can do a drain hose. Wow! Huh! And it also has the ability to no way. It has like a water, I think it's system where you can add water to the dishwasher. Oh no, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out though. That's just wow. Man. Alright, I'll show you guys what this thing looks like. It's got a fruit rack. Huh! Inlet hose, drain hose, water filling guide, faucet. Wow, heck yeah. Alright, I'm excited you guys. This thing, it looks really nice. Oh gosh, it looks nice here too. Wow. Wow. This thing is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I really love it. I don't even put this back on. Like this. Exactly what it is. Check that out, y'all. Let me get the box out of the way here. Turn it in here real quick. Now. All this out of the way. Now I won't be able to take my camera with me to show you guys up here. If I can show you guys, I think I'm showing it here on camera. If I'm going to be doing that. But once we're doing that to you guys, show you what it actually looks like. I mean, wow! Like this whole thing, this is amazing. Oh, whoa! Whoa, man. I know it's little, but I mean, hey, it's a dishwasher, y'all. It is portable. You take it with you wherever you go. Like written and stuff. My God, we have a dishwasher that's in storage, and it's an actual just regular, regular one. It's a regular real one. And I'm telling you. To unhook it after installing it, it sucks because it's a lot of work. It really is. You have to unhook it when we move, and you have to redo it all again. So there you guys go. It says here that comfy finish recommends finish. Recommends comfy and finish. So right here. Says please peel off sticker on water tank tap before use. It says where the water tank tap's at. Oh yeah. Alright, so I think I'm going to probably stop this video maybe and do another, but I don't think you won't be able to see that up there, so it won't reach. Alrighty guys, well I hope this helps you out. Like I said, I hope this at least gives you a general idea, kind of shows you, what you're looking at here, size-wise, and, what to expect. So let's take that out and show you for you in this, what the inside of it fully looks like. As you see, that's the full inside here. Let me move my camera here. Hopefully show you guys. So sorry about that. Sorry about this. So as you see here, that right there is the full inside of it. Right there.